Long ago, we used to be dapper. We didn't just wear bigger clothes so they can't see how big we are or aren't. When we could get away with it. Because often it was hot and we had no shirts on, right? But to strangers, they don't know how built or what kind of a brother we are. So there was a healthy Amun versus a viper's manipulation behind the scenes. How did we go from, hey ladies, and in parentheses, a positive response showing admiration, respect, and a desire to mate, to, fuck you then, bitch! Well, it goes like this. We were martial artists, and then when they made martial arts illegal, the revolution partially continued underground, with Masons trying to control the movement so they know where to invest, among other things. The white establishment had established control over the blacks, overtly and covertly, subtly, and very blatantly as well. They were fastidiously working in a way that shows a lack of compassion, quite inconsiderate, to say the least. And what resulted was the inevitable suffering of men of honor, and that led up to the revolutionary era, without martial arts being emphasized, but only subtly so. Malcolm X, his speech on martial arts that I've posted myself, reposted, he mentions if you want to defend yourself, take martial arts. This has been obscured, one could argue, purposely so, and I would argue that effectively so. In fact, I have proven it. So we went from martial artists to revolutionaries, to feminists helping the government break down the revolution because they felt they were being mistreated. And don't you sit there like that's not the case. I went through the many Black Panther documents and books and publications, including the Black Panther Party Reconsidered. It is a commonly accepted fact that women were arguing with men in the Black Panther Party. And when the smoke clears, you have a bunch of attractive women in mental health working for the tech sector, sleeping with all these people who did COINTELPRO, the psychologists that broke down the Panthers. And when the smoke clears, you have the whites and the black feminists running everything with their Jewish financiers, and the Asians manipulating things behind the scenes, playing the neutral card publicly, for the most part, except for those who are in organized crime groups, which I will not name at this point. So, when you think about this, feminism led to the age of gangsterism. Because when the smoke clears, we're all gangsters shooting each other, miserable, the family is broken down, and 80% of inmates come from a single parent home. We are disproportionately aborted, and you are literally kissing their ass, having sex with them in their lodges, taking on their culture publicly, and having sex with their cults privately, which set the culture. You Crowley-loving, backstabbing, secret society house nigga class of traitors. And so we must bear the burden so that you can look good to your friends, like a bisexual gang member, who sucks goat dick behind the scenes so he can be on TV with lean-stained lips and silly tattoos all over for all to see. So again, I ask you, after I've told you, how did we go from, hey ladies, a positive response in parentheses, to fuck you then, bitch? Well, of course, it's because feminists sold us out. The cycle, history repeats itself, nothing new under the sun. They let the snake into their temple and sold us out. Those fucking whores.